Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta at home. We'll start with the fundamental ingredients you'll need for a delicious batch. You'll want about 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs, a pinch of salt, and perhaps a tablespoon of olive oil. These simple components are the foundation for creating fresh, flavorful pasta right in your own kitchen. It's a truly rewarding experience to craft something so wonderful from scratch. Once your ingredients are ready, it's time to bring them together. Create a well in the center of your flour and crack the eggs directly into it. Slowly mix the eggs with the flour, drawing it in from the sides until a shaggy dough forms. Then, the real work begins. Kneading. Spend about 8 to 10 minutes kneading the dough vigorously until it becomes wonderfully smooth and elastic. This step is crucial for developing the gluten. After kneading, let your dough rest for at least 30 minutes, wrapped in plastic to relax the gluten. This makes it much easier to roll. Divide the dough into smaller, more manageable pieces. Now, roll each piece out very thinly, aiming for about 1/16 of an inch thick. You can use a pasta machine or a rolling pin. Finally, cut your sheets into your favorite shapes, like classic fettuccine or wide pappardelle. The final step is cooking your beautiful homemade pasta. Bring a large pot of generously salted water to a vigorous boil. Add your fresh pasta and cook for only 1 to 4 minutes. Fresh pasta cooks much faster than dried. You're looking for that perfect al dente texture, firm but not hard. Drain it quickly, toss with your favorite sauce, and serve immediately. There's nothing quite like the taste of fresh, homemade pasta.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.